Are you ready, New Jersey, for the finals? Ascend it! These gentlemen have seen battle 5 times before. Frederick Osbo winning 3 of the 2. Is it going to be even match? Are we going to see 3 for 3? Also, Chris Forsberg, podium now officially every round of Formula Drift this season. He's 4 for 4, rivaled by 6 out of 7 by Von Ginn Jr. As now Frederick Osbo leaves the line, he'll be chasing down Chris Forsberg. Forsberg rocketing into that first corner, initiating high on the bank. As it gets darker on the course in more ways than one. Into that rear clipping zone. Osbo's right there, knocking on Forsberg's door. Look at the Hankook tires, smoke on track. Hankook tires 1 and 2. Forsberg, good angle. Osbo right there. A good adjustment by Osbo and Forsberg. Great showing. Hankook tires grabbing 1 and 2 spot, Ryan. We're ready to send it! New Jersey! Make some noise! Here we go. Osbo's going to lead. Frederick Osbo initiates in that silence. You see Forsberg. He initiates down on the bank, similar to what Osbo did, applying the pressure, letting it all hang out. Is Forsberg. Good transition from these guys. Forsberg dropping into formation, nosing in, point on more angle. Osbo and Forsberg. This is the battle of the ages, the Norwegian Hammer versus the Force. And now Forsberg goes into Osbo. You know what? He got some blows now. He throws some punches. Make some noise, New Jersey! Let's make some noise for these guys that get outside of their vehicles here at Wall Stadium Speedway. Round 4 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship presented by GoPro. The winner, first ever first place, Frederick Osbo! Frederick Osbo grabs first place.